Hello friends, welcome to aravalligeoacademy. Hope you are well. Today we are going to discuss Rajasthan State Eligibility Test PYQs. Okay, we will discuss a 2023 paper, and this was the last SET paper. See this quote, Aravalli Geo Academy, where every PYQ is lesson, not just a question. Okay, now Uh, this is the first question. The Rajmahal volcanics is the earliest manifestation of the volcanic activity of Deccan Trap, Slate volcanics, mid-oceanic ridge basalt, and the Ras volcanics. So, which one is the correct answer? The Rajmahal volcanics is the earliest manifestation of the volcanic activity of Deccan Trap. Okay, correct answer is the Deccan Trap. Rajmahal is the uh, earliest manifestation of the Deccan Trap. Okay, so remember the geological age of the Deccan Trap, late Cretaceous to early Paleogene, approximate 66 million year ago. Slate Trap, early Cretaceous. Okay, the Slate Trap is part of the Rajmahal Slate Flood Basalt Province, and the Ras volcanic located in the Jammu Kashmir region. As of the Ras is the approximate Cretaceous. Okay. Dras form in the an island arc setting, part of the Indus Yarlang Sangapu future zone. Okay, in the Ladakh area. This is located in the Ladakh area. And Rajmahal trap actually erupt in early Cretaceous, related to the Kerguelen plume activity in the Gondwana breakup. Okay, remember this plume. Okay, which plume responsible for the Rajmahal trap eruption? To Kerguelen plume. Okay, and remember this important actually order of the oldest to youngest. Okay, Dras volcanic, then Sylhet, then Rajmahal, then Deccan. Okay, Rajmahal erupt just before the Deccan. Okay, so Deccan is the manifestation of the Rajmahal trap. Okay, now next, it is believed that upper mantle is composed of pyrolite. Pyrolite corresponds in composition to mixture of one part of the granodiorite to three part of the basalt, one part of the ultramafic rock to the three part of the basalt, one part of the basalt to three part of the granodiorite, one part of the basalt to three part of the ultramafic rock. Okay, so remember pyrolite is actually a synthetic material. Okay, this is represent the composition of upper mantle. Okay, and we know that composition of upper mantle is a peridotite. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Okay, correct answer is the D is the correct answer. Okay, in pyrolite, one part is the basalt and three part is the ultramafic. Okay, three part ultramafic, it means because mantle is the peridotite rich na, so three part is the ultramafic or one part is the basalt. Okay, remember this correct answer. Okay, so pyrolite is a theoretical model. Okay, this is the synthetic rock. Okay, this is represent the average composition of the upper mantle. Okay, this pyrolite come from pyroxene or peridotite. Okay, and pyrolite is a mixture of the one part of the tholetic basalt and three part of the dunite. Dunite is the ultramafic rock. Okay, olivine rich ultramafic rock. So one part of the tholetic basalt and three part of the dunite represent the pyrolite. Okay, so correct answer of this question is a one part of the basalt and to three part of the ultramafic rock, or we can say dunite. Okay, examiner also give you instead of the basalt actually gabbro here. Okay, now next, if a stream maintain the same course after the upliftment in the area, it is referred to as option A antecedent, option B consequent, option C insequent, option D subsequent. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the incident. Okay, antecedent river is the correct answer. Okay, see this, there are two conditions. This is the first condition. Okay, there are sedimentary strata. Okay, and a river actually blowing on this strata. Okay, so immediately what happened here? Immediately tectonic upliftment is there. Okay, so after tectonic upliftment, river does not change the course. Okay, river flowing regularly. Okay, so this type of the incidence is known as antecedent stream. Okay, this type of stream is known as antecedent stream. Next, match the appropriate set of the process under which gold are formed. Option A, magmatic crystallization or placer. Option B, liquid immiscibility, magmatic hydrothermal concentration. Option C, igneous intrusion, hydrothermal solutions, contact metasemitism or placer. Option D, residual concentration and supergene enrichment. So which one is the correct answer? Which set of process, which set represent the uh, formation of the gold? Okay, so correct answer is the C. Okay, igneous intrusion, hydrothermal solution, and contact metasemitism and placer. Okay, now next, in the northern hemisphere the apparent Coriolis deflection will always be the blank space, and in the southern hemisphere it is always to the blank space from the point of the origin. Left and right, right and left, right and north, left and south. So which one is the correct? This is asking about the Coriolis deflection. Okay, so correct answer is the right and left. So see this part. Okay, why right or left? So assume this is the 0 degree equator, this one. Okay, and above the 0 degree equator this is the northern hemisphere. Okay, and below this is the southern hemisphere. Okay, focus on this wind. This is the subtropical high and wind blowing from high to low pressure. This is the low pressure zone. Okay, so when wind blowing, so this is deflecting the right direction. Okay, right side or right hand side. Okay, in the northern hemisphere, and deflect left side in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so this phenomena is known as Coriolis effect. Okay, so in northern hemisphere wind deflect in the right side, or in southern hemisphere wind deflect in the left side. Okay, so correct answer is B. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Try to share with your friends. Okay, those preparing for CSIR NET exams.